On your move.
Waiting for him. Ah, we'll try.
It's a fun one.
We're good?
Oh, you only get 5 minutes, Joao.
All right. Oh, come on.
He says, all right. Oh, yeah.
I didn't finish the all right. I just said, well, all right. Come on.
There it is, nice.
Your car looks very smooth. I love it.
Right? Banana smooth.
Progress.
It's the aggressors.
I thought it was his battery replacement.
That's the bully one.
Oh, you'll see some vintage axles tomorrow. Nice, nice job. No.
I wish I would have done that. Where were you? I was headed over to the far side to drop into that flat so you got straight at it. That was nice. I wish I would have seen that. It would have cleaned up nice. You know, let's do the finish.
That's
Try.
nice.
It's going to take me out of running.
Perfect.
Beautiful.
Nice. Smooth.
Trees over here. Progress. Going for candy?
Oh yeah. I was forgetting candy.
Almost forgot it, didn't you?
Yeah. I was going 4. Straight ahead. Loving it.
Own it.
Nice.
Well, let's try that line then.
4 minutes, driver. 100
Okay, thank you.
Gate?
Date?
Yep. Instead, don't worry about it. Don't hit the boundary.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I just hold my back pipe.
Yep.
Thomas.
Now turn it down. Yep.
There it was.
Yep. Now just come around. You got it. Nice.
Not out of the woods yet.
Didn't hit anything.
Yeah.
You got gate 6. You can go gate 6.
Yeah. I'm good. I'm good.
Yep.
We'll see.
Yeah.
That was somebody else, so what the fuck? I didn't do it. Other people get me that.
Gate.
Yeah, the puta.
Progress. 7. Roll in behind you.
Yeah.
32 seconds, driver.
All right.
And you know what?
Beautiful. There's candy right there.
Yeah.
What do we got for time?
How much time?
2 minutes.
Plenty of time.
Okay.
All three?
Yep. Oh.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Very good.
Get out of there.
Candy.
Yeah.
You got time for it and you point in the right direction?
134.
What?
You got time.
Yeah, exactly. It's the menthol one that's awesome.
I ran out of juice the other day. I
Yeah.
was fiddling around in my car and I said, oh shit, a brand new bottle of juice, but it was menthol. Like an hour. and I had to go to the store. I was like, no,
So
no.
what's weird is I don't like the menthol ones normally, but on comp days I like the menthol
Very
ones. I
nice.
don't know.
Nice.
Yeah.
Now 9, right?
Yeah.
How much time?
9's it down. 1 minute, driver.
1 minute. Yeah, 9's up.
Yeah, like, I think part of it maybe it's always hot when we walk. So it like feels like it cools you off a little bit. You know what I mean?
Nice. Beautiful.
45 seconds. 10 to 10. I don't really have a good explanation. Yeah, I brought the blue raspberry peach and blue raspberry
Beautiful.
lemon.
Time.
Figlia la puta.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Man, I'm
Nice job, Joe.
not happy.